નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Standard 4, Subject Environment, Chapter number 6, Ria's Journey, Part 2.
Good morning, students. See, we have completed our first part of the chapter number 6, Ria's Journey. And now we will start our second part. But before starting the second part, let's take a quick revision of the part 1. So in the part 1, we have seen that the Ria was going to his uncle's house in Vapi in a train. And she was very excited as she was going for the first time in the train. So when the train reached the station, there was a very rush to get inside the train. But somehow they managed and get into the train. So after some times, they have passed through a station named Samakhyari Junction. Then what is the meaning of junction? Junction means where two or more than two tracks are connected. It is called a junction. So after that they have passed through a bridge named as Surajbari Bridge, and it is the entrance of the Kutch. Right? Till here we have learned in the part 1. So now let's start our part 2. So as her father told her to go to the sleep, she was a very good girl and always obeying her parents. So she went to the sleep. But she can't sleep because of the sound of the train. And then she saw that the girl nearby her seat, she was also not sleepy. Not feeling sleepy means she also can't sleep. So they both started talking with each other. The name of that girl was Fiona, and she has some books with her. So Ria borrowed one book from her and started reading. So while she was reading the books, she slept. And suddenly she woke up. She saw that the light was coming through the window. Then she saw that the train was passing through a big city. She saw from the window that the city was looking very beautiful because of the lighting. Then she imagined that the train was passing from the bridge or the railway crossing, where she saw the tall buildings and the atmosphere was very quiet. In short, the atmosphere was very pleasant. So she took her mother's mobile and started taking the photos and videos of that scene so that they can enjoy it afterwards. Okay? So after some time the train reached one big station. So now her father also woke up and he said that they have reached the Ahmedabad station. So many sounds were coming from the station. If you have visited the railway station, then you can see that there are the many hawkers selling the samosas and chais and then cold drinks, then bhajiyas, then fruits, everything. Right? Hawker means in Hindi or we say that feria. Right? So her father get down from the train to fill the bottles. Okay? So he said that the train will stop here for 20 to 25 minutes. So Ria also get down of the train with her father to and she was very excited to see the platform. She saw that the platform was crowded by many hawkers and many of the there were many trains also at the station. Then the important announcement was given on the mic. Then some of the passengers are running to catch that train. Right? So they also and some of the passengers were waiting for that train also. So they bought some fruits from the hawkers and get inside the train. So after it, sometimes the train also started and they have their fruits. But till that time, now she was not feeling sleepy. So she has bought the board game of snakes and ladders. So the Fiona, her brother and Ria, they all started playing the snakes and ladders. Till that time, the Nadyad station has arrived where Fiona and her parents had to get down. So the Fiona said bye to everyone and after that Ria and her brother went to the sleep. So this was the Ria's journey in the train which she was enjoying a lot. And if you also have traveled or not, that I don't know, but if you travel in a train, then you will also enjoy your trip in the train other than any other communication to travel. Okay, so everybody must take one time this experience to travel in a train. And I hope you all will also enjoy your trip in the train. So till here everybody understood this chapter.
Thank you for joining us.